What's up, everyone? This is Stranger, coach of the Pittsburgh Celestelas, and today I'm playing in the final week of the TGR Dream Team, going up against Wreck-It Mike and the Virginia Victinis. Their team has a pretty strong core of Rillaboom, Galar Zapdos, and Rotom Heat for their A tier, and then some solid B tiers in Corviknight and Tatsugiri, which they also have the Dondozo in their C tier, along with Swampert and Tentacruel, and then some poison types in the D tier, including Salazzle and Alolan Muck, which are both pretty solid options. Their Terra options are Rotom, Corviknight, Tentacruel, and Salazzle, with some good defensive Terras on them. So the game plan here is mostly just focus on offense with Ogerpon, 3 attacks, Ivy Cudgel, Stomping Tantrum, Horn Leech, and just have really good coverage into their whole team with that. So they also have some good offensive options into Ogerpon, so I'm going to have to kind of preserve it in the back and try not to let it get knocked out before it can take some key pieces from their team. Then we got the Murkrow, Eviolite, no Protect. I'm probably going to try to keep it in the back for potential Dondozo and late game Tailwind, so hopefully I don't end up regretting the no Protect. And then Sunny Day, Haze for Dondozo. Sunny Day pairs with the Charizard and the Ogerpon pretty well, and even the Landorus Therian is running Weather Ball, so if I can get Sun Up, I should be able to take care of stuff like the Rillaboom and the Corviknight pretty well. It does look like my opponent is ready, so I'll go ahead and jump into the battle, go through the rest of the team once we get in. Okay, looks like ready to go. They're searching. I know I'm connected. They might not be connected, or they typed in the wrong code. So anyway, I was saying the Landorus has Weather Ball. It's a fully special Landorus with Grass Knot, Terra Grass for Dondozo, and a few of the other water types. And then Psychic for Zapdos and Salazzle. They're actually running no ground move. and its Choice Scarf, Landorus, Timid to outspeed anything other than a Scarf Jolly Zapdos on their side. Psychic doesn't KO Zapdos, but the hope is that with a little bit of chip from something, if I bring it in late game, I can KO it before it gets a chance to attack with its Defiant boost. What is going on here? And then also bringing the Charizard with Covert Cloak. Just kind of a Sun attacker with Will-O-Wisp as an option as well, to neuter some of their physical threats. Their team is mostly physical, so. Alright, finally get in. Alright. I don't think my opponent has anything crazy, so I could just go official rules 1. Okay, good luck, have fun. To Wreck-It Mike. And so yeah, the other pieces of the team are Citrus Berry, Tinkaton with Fake Out, Encore, Gigaton, Reflect, and Life Orb Toxtricity with Sludge Bomb, Overdrive, Volt Switch, and Protect. So let's get into the battle. So yeah, the game plan kind of depends heavily on what they bring. I'm sure they'll have, yeah, they've got the Dondozo mode, and then just good stuff. So I guess this is to be expected. So Charizard does pretty good into everything except the Rotom. They're pretty incentivized to bring Zapdos against the Landorus. I could just go with Ogerpon Tinkaton. Kind of want to bring Ogerpon in back. I think I go Charizard, Murkrow. I don't really want to lead the Murkrow. I could just use it for Will-O-Wisp. Let's go Charizard, Tinkaton, Ogerpon. This is kind of lacking in offense. Not a lot of answers to Rotom. So if they bring Rotom, I cannot touch it without Ogerpon. It's just Rillaboom Zapdos. So Charizard leads pretty good here. Don't know that I want to risk a Will-O-Wisp miss. Could just go for Heat Wave. Fake out the Zapdos. Okay. Is this Dondozo? Rotom, okay. So no Dozogiri. Double Connect, that's good. That's probably not Assault Vest. So I can Encore the Rillaboom, but then that leaves me very vulnerable to Rotom Heat. Yeah, I think I just need to let something go down and then bring in Ogerpon. Okay, let's protect Rillaboom. Hopefully this is Overheat. Nasty Plot would be the worst case scenario. It's just Electro Web, okay. Covert Cloak though, so I don't get the speed drop. I guess it would be kind of nice to preserve the Charizard in the back for what's probably a Zapdos and Corviknight. Let's just do this. Protect. Probably switch the Rillaboom out. This was kind of a bad play. I do catch the Rillaboom. What is the Rotom going for? They get the double protect, which means that it's a very safe target next turn. Another Electro Web. And now I'm too slow to Encore the Rotom. Just take this opportunity, set up Reflect. Just because I know that Zapdos isn't back and their last is probably Corviknight. Yeah. Okay, so this, I connect Heat Wave, this will be good damage. It's a defense Grassy Seed, okay. Nice, double connect again, that's huge. Okay, Electrode KO's Charizard. Okay, this should allow me to live a Brave Bird from Corviknight. And they have to worry about maybe Cudgel. bring in Murkrow, that way I can haze any bulk up or iron defense boost, or match Tailwind if they go for that. It looks like they do not switch out the Rotom. Oh, are they going for Terra Fairy Rotom? No, Terra Dragon Corviknight. Okay, that's all right. This thing's gonna be really hard to get rid of now, but. Okay, so now they know I have Stomping Tantrum. What do they go for here? Just Tailwind, okay. So they're not bringing in Zapdos, which I think is good considering they might outspeed me even if I match Tailwind. This is a pretty safe Spiky Shield, and I don't think I want to KO Rillaboom yet. I don't know if I like this play. Oh, that's really bad. Okay. So I don't really have any way to damage this Corviknight now. They definitely protect Rillaboom here, so I might as well just keep getting damage off on the Corviknight. No protect. That's interesting. Not too much damage. Oh, but the follow-up Brave Bird, this might KO. Okay, that's close. How are they both faster than me? Didn't I set it? No, I got faked out, so I didn't get Tailwind up. Okay. Okay, a little bit of Spiky Shield chip. We'll take it. Okay, their Tailwind peters out, so I should be able to take a KO on Zapdos if it doesn't protect. And if it does protect and they KO Ogerpon, I have air slash in the sun in tail run the following turn. Or if this is a bulky Zapdos, it could survive the Ivy Cudgel and Sun. Okay, no protect. Okay, does go down. So it's a 4 against 1, but this Corviknight is going to be very difficult to deal with. Do I want to give away Haze? I think I can win without revealing Haze. And then that could be very useful information to conceal going into game 2. So what do we've seen Brave Bird, Tailwind, Roost. I don't know why I said earlier I could always bring in Charizard. I totally forgot that Charizard went down to the Electro Web. So if they, but yeah, I still had Tinkaton. So, and I had Murkrow in Tailwind. So the Murkrow would have KO'd the Zapdos if they would have protected Zapdos and KO'd Overbomb. But maybe they'll reveal Protect here if I go for Fake Out. Okay, so I didn't see an item on the Zapdos. Didn't see an item on the Rillaboom. Might be Clear Amulet. Fake Out High Horsepower, I think, is the only moves the Rillaboom revealed. Zapdos didn't reveal any moves. Rotom just went for Electro Web. And it's slow because Tinkaton outsped it even after one speed drop. Okay, so I don't think they lead Rillaboom Zapdos again. That's really bad into the Charizard. And because I didn't reveal Haze on Murkrow, they might be inclined to try Dondozo. I also haven't revealed Will-O-Wisp. So if they lead Dondozo, I could just go for Fake Out Will-O-Wisp. I could just go with the same lead, same mons in the back. I really don't have a lot for that Rotom other than Overbomb. I think I'm going to do the same thing. The only mix-up I can think of is maybe bringing Toxtricity is pretty good into everything except the Rotom. But what would I drop? Tinkaton maybe? Yeah. Yeah, this way I have the Stomping Tantrum pressure if they lead the Rotom, which would make sense against the Charizard lead. I feel a little bit vulnerable not having the, I'm really struggling with that word today, not having the fake out up front, but I do have Protect on both months. Wow, they go with the same lead. That's surprising. I mean, this is still a good. This is still a good lead for me. Yeah, they can't switch in the Rotom here because then I threaten a KO with Overpond next turn. Kind of want to just Will-O-Wisp the Zapdos, but Heat Wave is just so good here. Zapdos is faster than Charizard, so it's probably Scarf. No burns. This will probably still take half from Brave Bird because this mon sucks, but yeah, 1 HP, nice, let's go. Wow, I've been getting really lucky with Heat Waves this game, this set. Haven't missed a Heat Wave yet. I say that now, so now I'm going to miss all my air slashes probably. Okay, what's in the back? Did they go with Dondozo? Nope, it's the Corviknight and Rotom again. Okay. So they really have to get up a Tailwind. So that Rotom doesn't just get one shot before it can do anything, but they also have to choose who to terrestrialize here. I feel like I can safely just fire out double spread moves and hopefully bait out a Terra. I think I'd honestly rather see it on the Corviknight. Yeah, because now I have the one shot onto Rotom. Another double connect. Wow. Not that it's super impactful, but so every attacks were resisted. completely, but the chip is still not completely negligible, so. Alright, so I just need to match tailwind here and start getting some damage on the Corviknight, because as long as I have speed control, I can always KO the Rotom because now I can't Terra. Okay, they are faster, so that is unfortunate. Oh, it's because, yeah, we both had Tailwind up and they got an Electro Whip out, so makes sense. So Brave Bird will probably KO Ogerpon since I don't have Reflect up. This is tricky. I don't think I can 1v1 the Corviknight with Murkrow. You definitely can. Okay, so they probably outspeed Murkrow now. Chip is nice. So I can take this KO on Rotom, but if Ogerpon goes down to Brave Bird, I think I just need to, I think I need to KO the, I need to take out the Rotom. Maybe I can survive a Brave Bird. I do have a little bit of bulk. Yes. Okay, that's huge. Nice. Good damage. Okay. I think I got this. Nice. And a crit. Don't know if that mattered without the defense boost. Sun up. Might have KO'd anyway, but GG's to Wreck-It Mike. That was a good set. It was close. The Rotom Corviknight was almost able to come back from a 4v2 in that last game. If they got, one protect call right, if they would have protected the Rotom on that last turn, got the Brave Bird off, and the next turn wouldn't have been able to KO either without sacrificing Ogre Pawn, and then I don't think Murkrow would have been able to win a 1v1 against either Mon, whichever one was left. So it might be that the Rotom didn't have Protect. All we saw was Electro Web and Overheat, so it wasn't choice locked, but who knows what its item was. But anyway, GG's. That's the last game of the season, so I actually don't know if I made playoffs or not. I think I needed to win that to make playoffs, but I haven't really been paying too much attention. So hopefully I'll be in the playoffs, and I'll see you next week for that. Bye.